Every day, millions of people unknowingly expose their personal information online. And the worst part? They don't even realize they're making simple mistakes that could cost them their privacy. In this video, we will break down the 5 most common online privacy mistakes you might be making and how to fix them. First up, using weak passwords. Creating simple passwords that are easy to remember is tempting, but this opens you up to hackers. Passwords like 123456 or password are some of the most common and vulnerable. Here's how to fix it. Use a password manager to create and store unique, strong passwords for each account. A strong password is long, uses a mix of characters, and is hard to guess. Next is ignoring two-factor authentication, 2FA. Many people skip this step because it seems inconvenient, but it's one of the easiest ways to add an extra layer of security to their accounts. The fix: enable 2FA on all important accounts. It takes just a few seconds and can make the difference between your data staying safe or getting stolen. Ever connect to public Wi-Fi at your favorite cafe or airport? It might seem harmless, but public Wi-Fi networks are prime targets for hackers. Without proper protection, anyone could intercept your data. Here's the solution. Always use a virtual private network or VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi. A VPN encrypts your data and protects your online activities from prying eyes. Social media is great for staying connected, but it's also a goldmine for hackers and identity thieves. Oversharing personal information like your location, workplace, or family members can give them everything they need to target you. The simple fix: adjust your privacy settings and think twice before posting sensitive details online. Remember, not everything needs to be public. And finally, not updating your software. Skipping software updates might seem no big deal, but it can leave your devices and apps vulnerable to security threats. The fix: turn on automatic updates for your devices, apps, and browsers. This ensures you always have the latest security patches installed to keep your data safe. There you have it, 5 common online privacy mistakes and how to fix them. By making these simple changes, you can significantly improve your online safety and protect your personal information. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who needs these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to ENITECH for more tech tips and tricks.